The Community Healthcare Network has been in existence now for 25 years. We do have 3 sites that are located within Fairfax County, one being up in Reston, another being down in Alexandria on Route 1, and the newest center being Maryfield Health Center, which we're now having a grand opening for. And what it does is to actually provide primary care services for the uninsured and vulnerable populations of Fairfax County.
Once we opened up the centers, people, the working poor especially, had access to health care, and because the centers provide both primary care and specialty care through their volunteer physicians and our partners like Inova Health System and Reston Hospital, we can provide comprehensive integrated care for many, many people in the community, thousands of people in our community who otherwise would not have access to health care.
Today we're having a grand opening for our newest site, the Maryfield Health Center. We've been open here for patients since November 2015, but this is our formal open house to the public to let everybody know, yes, we're up and running and we have transferred services over to this new site. Despite all of the advancements that have been made with the Affordable Care Act and changes that have been put into place, there are still literally thousands of patients that do not have access to health care. And this is a site where people, even if they can't access some of those other services, they can come in and get the care that they so greatly need.